How to add user profile fields in WordPress. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to add user profile fields in WordPress. And your users can fill those fields and the information will show on their profile page. First, you need to install the BuddyPress plugin. His plugin is free. You can find the plugin by the searching bar, then install and activate it. Second, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is also free and you can get it from the WordPress plugin directory. Once both plugins are activated, please navigate to Users and Profile Fields. You can create a new field group or add fields to the existing group. In this video, I will add a new field to the existing field group. Click Add New Field button and add the field name and description. And then, select any field type you want. There are 13 field types you can select. You also can make this field show on the registration form. In the last step, click Save. And let's see the result. The field you created will show on the profile settings field and users can fill the information. The information will display on the profile header and also on Info tab. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.